In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell NFTs using your Phantom wallet. Whether you're new to the world of NFTs or simply looking for a guide on executing this transaction smoothly, you've come to the right place. First things first, you'll want to open your Phantom wallet. Make sure you're logged into your account. Logging in is crucial because it allows you to access all the features of the app, and most importantly, it keeps your transactions secure. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your home page. Here, you can see a snapshot of your financial standing, including your current balance and the tokens you possess. Additionally, the home page serves as your dashboard for various activities, allowing you to receive, send, swap, and buy assets. The interface is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, so you should have no trouble navigating through the different features. Now, let's move on to the selling process. On your home page, look for the option that says Send and click on it. This step is essential because sending tokens is part of how you'll facilitate the sale of your NFTs. After clicking Send, you'll need to select the blockchain network you'll be using for this transaction. In this case, choose Solana, as it's one of the supported networks within Phantom Wallet and is commonly used for NFT transactions. At this point, you'll need the recipient's Solana address. Paste this address in the designated field. It's very important to ensure that the address is correct because any errors might lead to your assets being sent to the wrong place, potentially resulting in a loss. Double-check the recipient's address before proceeding. Next, enter the amount you wish to sell. Be sure you're clear on the amount, as this is the number of tokens you'll be transferring as part of your NFT sale. Once you've entered the amount, you'll see a button prompting you to proceed to the next step. Click on Next. After this, just follow the prompts that appear on your screen. These prompts will guide you through the final steps, which may include double-checking transaction details and confirming your sale. And there you have it. That's how you sell NFTs via the Phantom wallet. With these straightforward steps, you should find the process relatively simple once you get the hang of it. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with each step to build your confidence in executing these transactions. Thank you for watching and happy selling.